Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a desk tour. I just want to preface this video by saying this desk is very basic. It's just of a uni student and a YouTuber, and I've got just like the basic stuff. There's, oops, that was my phone. I will put that on silent. Yeah, so it's just a very basic desk. It's not high-techy or anything. But yeah, before we get into the video, please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And let's just get started. So on the left here is my Silhouette Cameo. I use this a lot. This is a cutting machine and it gives me a lot of like use, and I cut a lot of things with it. I usually just cut my uni stuff and stuff like that. So, or like, it's really versatile. Like if someone needs a sign made or anything like that, it's really good for that. On the left hand side, I have my two planners. I have my business planner, but it's called a business planner, but I don't use it to plan my business or anything. And on top of that, I've got a notebook. Can't remember where this notebook is from, but I got it from Dymocks Stationery in the city. Moving swiftly along, over here I have two of my textbooks. These are textbooks I use for uni, and I reach for them a lot, especially right now because I'm preparing for my exams, so they're just there within reach. And then next to that I have a stand, and that is a monitor stand, and I got that from Officeworks, and underneath that is just a wireless keyboard that I also got from Officeworks. Just on top, in front of the keyboard, I have a pink Himalayan salt lamp that isn't on top of the monitor stand because it weighs like 17 kilos. It's so heavy, and I don't know why it's that heavy, but it is. So yeah, I got that for Christmas, by the way, so I'm not entirely sure where that's from. So on top of this little table, I have my makeup mirror, and then behind my makeup mirror I have my brushes. So I do my makeup here as well, that's why that's there. And then I don't really have a lot of makeup brushes, just like one box, so that's where that goes. Hello! Okay, so next to the brushes and stuff, I have this little case from Muji. I'm not entirely sure what it's supposed to hold, but I just have, I just have like some stickers that I reach for, some notes, you know, whiteout, stuff like that. Like this one is the pen holder. And I've just got like miscellaneous penny things in there. And this one is got all of my highlighters and like fancy pants pens. Fancy pants pens. So yeah, that's a really good drawer, I think, especially if you're looking to be kind of decorative with your things. So next to it is a coaster. This is a coaster that I bought from Adairs, and it's from the brand called from Morgan & Finch. I really like it. It's made out of glass. And then finally I just have this, like, I don't know, like a tree. It's like a piece of greenery that I really like. I'm not usually one to like fake plants, but I like this one because it looks really real. My cat sometimes comes and eats it because she thinks that it's real leaves. So that about does it for the top of the desk. I'm going to take you through my drawers now. My bottom drawer just holds my like big things, so my laptop case and a couple of books. So yeah, my drawers aren't very exciting, but I'm gonna show you anyway. And then the next drawer has my business cards in it. It has my cutter in it, my paper cutter, and then just some like businessy things, and then important documents down the bottom in this purple folder. This drawer has books. It has just like spare planner stuff, like also some sticker books from Kikki K and, you know, notepads and all that fun stuff. So this drawer has my stationery in it. I have my passport, some sticky notes, some washi tape, paper clips, my glue tape, a couple of spare inks, a rubber, some screen wipes, you know, my mouse and stuff like that. And then finally, finally my top drawer has all of my makeup stuff in it. So yeah, those are the drawers. So this is a part of my desk that's not so glamorous. Underneath the table I just have like a random suitcase because we don't have anywhere to put it and my legs don't really reach that far down. Underneath that I have 2 shelves, and I need to find a way to do my wires a bit better. But yeah, I have some wires that go in the first shelf, and then in the second shelf I use, I have some paper, which is right here. On top of that shelf I have my printer, which is the Epson W7 420 or something like that, and then right there I have my heater. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Everything I mentioned will be linked in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!